everyone, I'm Nikhil here. Now in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing of this Casio FX991EX Classwiz calculator. At front we have the picture of the calculator. At the right we have the Casio logo. This side also we have the same Casio logo. On the back side of the box we have the information of this calculator. Now let's open the box. Inside the box we get this warranty paper and this is a user guide in English. We have this another user guide in Spanish, I think so. This is the calculator. Let's open this cover. This is the front shell of this calculator. At the back we have some information. This is how the calculator looks. Let's turn this on. This is how the display looks. Coming to the menu, you can see the icons on this calculator. Other calculators just have some text on it, but this is some different approach. This calculator is also having the QR code functionality we can access by pressing Shift and Option button. For this calculator, Casio has developed an app called Casio Edu Plus. You can download this app from App Store or Play Store. And on the screen you can see that little scroll bar, so that's what I noticed. So that's for now guys, I'll talk to you in the next video. Subscribe if you like to watch more videos like this. If you like this video, click the like button, and thanks for watching guys, have a nice day.